Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Koppang 3-drawer chest from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, a drill, a 5/16 inch drill bit, a pencil, and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. You can also use a Phillips or positive drive bit to speed up the assembly process. So the first step is to put these 4 legs into this orientation. Position the 2 middle legs like this, with these 2 pairs of holes facing more towards the inside. As for the outside legs, place them in this position. Then grab 12 of these screws from bag 1 and screw them into these 12 holes. Now grab 8 dowels and hammer them into these 8 holes. Next, put the legs into their original position, but slightly further apart. Then bring in these 2 panels. Make sure that the larger gaps that I pointed to are in this position facing inwards. Also, don't worry that you might not see these extra pairs of holes on your panels, as I think the manufacturer made a mistake. Now attach the legs to the panels like this. Next, grab 12 fasteners and secure them into these 12 holes. Now grab 3 right and left drawer slides and 12 of these screws. Then for this panel, place the right drawer slides that should be labeled with an R like this and secure each drawer slide with 2 screws. The screws are going to be screwed into these holes. Now for this panel, place the left drawer slides that should be labeled with an L like this and secure each drawer slide with 2 screws. The screws are going to be screwed into these holes. Next, grab 10 of these screws and screw them into these 10 holes. The end product should look something like this. Then grab this thin piece and put in this orientation. Also grab 4 wooden dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now attach the thin piece of wood to this panel shown. Make sure these holes are in this position. Next, grab these two pieces and put them into this orientation. For the larger piece, I ran my finger to show you that this should be where the finished edge is. Also grab 6 dowels. So for the smaller piece, hammer in 2 dowels into these 2 holes. As for the larger piece, hammer in 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Now attach the small piece like this. Then attach the larger piece as shown. Again, make sure that the finished edge is in this position. Next, grab 3 fasteners and secure them into these 3 holes. Now place these 2 panels into this orientation, and also grab yourself 8 dowels. Then for this panel, hammer in 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Now for the other panel, also hammer the 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Next, grab this panel and attach it as shown. Then grab the other panel and attach it like this. Now grab 2 fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Next, grab the panel you worked on before and attach it as shown. Now grab 5 fasteners and secure them into these 5 holes. Next, grab 4 scratch guards and hammer them into these 4 spots. Now place the chest onto its feet as shown. Then grab 8 dowels and hammer them into these 8 holes. Next, grab the top panel and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Now from the wall hardware bag, grab 2 brackets, 2 washers, and 2 of these screws. If you have baseboards in your home, then you'll be securing the brackets into this hole. If you don't, then use this hole. As I have baseboards, I'll be securing the bracket into this hole. It's going to look something like this, and do the same to the other bracket as well. Now attach the top panel like this. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 3 of these long screws and an Allen key. The 3 screws are going into these 3 holes. Just make sure you don't screw them in too far. Now place the chest against your intended wall. Then grab your wall hardware bag and secure the chest to the wall. I've done these steps already, so I'll leave a link with the timestamp in the description below, and that will show you a demonstration on how to properly secure the same brackets to drywall. Next, let's focus on the drawers. So grab this front panel and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws from bag 2 and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab 2 of these side panels and attach them as shown. Make sure one of them has a warning sticker. Now grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Then place the bottom drawer piece in like this. Next, grab the back drawer piece and place it on as shown. Then grab 4 plastic pins and insert them in like this. Now grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Then place the drawer like this and grab 2 longer screws and 2 knobs. Now attach the 2 knobs by using the 2 screws. It's going to look something like this. Then flip the drawer over like this. Also grab 2 corresponding drawer slides that are marked DR and DL and 4 of these screws. Now go to the left side of the drawer and secure the DL drawer slide using 2 screws. The 2 screws will be going into these 2 holes. Then repeat the same step for the right side of the drawer with the DR drawer slide. Now grab the middle support and 2 of these small pointy screws. So first, screw one of the screws into this hole, but make sure it's not screwed in all the way. Then attach the middle support like this. Now with the other screw, screw it all the way into this hole. Then repeat the same steps in regards to the drawer 2 more times. And don't worry if the other side panels don't have the warning sticker on them, as they're all the same. Now that you've assembled all the drawers, the one with the warning sticker goes in at the very top like this. As for the other two, the order doesn't really matter. So now you should have a fully assembled Koppang 3-drawer chest from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.